Good morning, dear students. Today we will start our 6th chapter of science, that is food of animals. In this chapter we learn about different animals eat different food items. So students, you know very well that all living things need food to grow and live. Food gives us energy, so we need food to remain healthy. So dear students, different animals eat different kinds of food. They can be grouped on the basis of their food habits. There are many types of animals. First is herbivorous animals. So students, those animals which depend upon plants for their food. They eat grass, leaves, fruits, nuts or roots. For example, cow, buffalo, zebra, goat, deer, horse and elephant. Students, herba means plant, vorous means eater. So herbivorous means plant eater. These are also called plant eating animals. Next is carnivorous. Those animals which depend on flesh of other animals for their food. For example, dog, cat, lion, tiger, fox, etc. Students, carn means flesh, vorous means eater. So carnivorous means flesh eater. So these are also called as flesh eater animals. Next is omnivorous animals. Omni means all, vorous means eater. So students, omnivorous animals are those animals which depend upon both plants and flesh of animals for their food. For example, bear, crow and human beings. They both eat plants and flesh of animals. Next is scavengers. Animals such as fox, herons and wolves and birds such as vultures feed on dead animals. ऐसे animals जो मरे हुए animals को खाते हैं. They help in cleaning the forest by eating dead animals. जो वो dead animals को खा जाते हैं, फिर forest क्या होता है, clean ही हो जाता है. वैसे animals को क्या बोलते हैं, scavengers. Okay. So students, how animals feed? Different animals eat different type of food. So their manner of eating is also different. Their mouth is also modified to suit their mode of eating. Okay. So students, animals such as cows and buffaloes. Cows and buffaloes bite the grass and swallow it. Later, they bring back the food into their mouth and chew it slowly. This is called chewing the cud. This way of eating is called chewing the cud. They chew the food for hours in their mouth. Animals such as lions, tigers, Fox and dogs have very sharp and pointed front teeth to tear the flesh of other animals. So, these animals are called tear, grind and chew their food. They have sharp, strong, grinding teeth at the back of to chew the flesh. Crocodiles and alligators have a long mouth. They have large, sharp and pointed teeth. They snap at animals which come to drink water. Teeth have powerful jaws, hack them to grab even big animals and tear this flesh. Next, animals such as rabbits, beavers, squirrels and rats bite their food continuously with the help of their long front teeth. This way of eating is called gnawing. They nibble their food also. They have sharp pointed teeth. These animals eat their food by taking small bites. What is the meaning of growing? Growing का मतलब क्या होता है? जब किसी भी चीज के ऊपर बार बार अटैक करते रहना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ग्नोइंग. जैसे कुछ एनिमल्स हैं, जैसे रैबिट है, वो क्या करते हैं? वो स्मॉल स्मॉल बाइट्स में खाते हैं ना. स्मॉल स्मॉल बाइट्स में खाने के लिए उनको बार बार किसी चीज के ऊपर अटैक करना पड़ता है. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ग्नोइंग. नेक्स्ट, elephant. Elephant have a special body part called trunk. Elephants use their trunk to tear off grass and branches and put in their mouth. Elephants have large grinding teeth to chew and grind their food. They drink water with the help of their trunk. Next, herbivorous animals like deer, giraffe eat grass and leaves. They have broad, flat and sharp front teeth to cut their food. When a frog spots its prey, for example, a fly, it lashes out its tongue with sticky to fly. The frog then rolls its tongue inside the mouth with the fly stuck on it. So students, some animals lap their food. For example, cats and dogs lap liquid like water, milk with their tongue. Cats have rough tongue, have sharp edge surface which help them to lap liquid and groom their fur. Next is food chain. Students, this is a very important part of our chapter, food chain. Plants use sunlight to make their own food. These plants are eaten by herbivores such as cow, deer, goat and zebra. And then these herbivores in turn are eaten by carnivores such as lion, tiger and eagles. Thus, a simple food chain exists in nature. For example, the grasshopper depends upon the grass for its food. The frog depends upon the grasshopper for its food, who in return becomes food for the snake. The snake finally gets eaten by the eagle. So all this become a food chain, a chain that depicts how plants are eaten by animals who are then eaten by other animals is called a food chain. A food chain shows the flow of energy from one level to another level. So dear students, this is all about our chapter. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.